Hey guys, this is an older Schlage knob set that's almost 30 years old. This had come loose. As you can see, it's shaking around now. I needed to tighten up the internal screws. I was having difficulty trying to get it off, and all the videos online show that there's a slot somewhere along this edge here or screws here. So what I found out was that once you pull this off, there is no latch inside to push in to remove the knob. This is actually what you want to move. So this moves kind of back and forth with the handle, but if you push it down and then snap it a little bit further, the knob will pull right off. The reason I had done this was because these screws had come loose after 28 years. So I tightened them up. Once you put it back in place, you can see the tab over here. Just going to stick my screwdriver in there, push down on it, and lock it. Your screwdriver in, pop it in, good to go. Replace the outer cover, and we're ready. So again, this is for older Schlage doorknobs. You won't find a video anywhere else that I've found on this, so hopefully this is helpful if you've got an older version. There we go. It snaps off.